Hey guys, welcome back to today's update on WCoin. The farming of WCoin, as we all know, is coming to an end soon, and it's going to be followed by listing. They made an announcement that staking is going to stop on the 20th of this month. So if you are staking, if your coin is staked, is going to unstake on 20th of this month. And if you still have the intention of staking your coin, I advise you stake for only 7 days as from now. If you just want to come across this video today, or if you're going to come across the video tomorrow or next tomorrow, just stake. You can stake like 3 days, you can stake like 7 days. No, we have like 3 staking period. We have 3 days staking period, we have 7 days staking period, and we have 14 days staking period. Well, currently, as from today, you can no longer stake for 14 days because as the timer is counting down, I think I checked today before making this video, and it's saying it's 12 days to go, 12 days for the staking to end. So if you have not staked, or if you still have the plans to stake and you've not staked, you can just stake for 7 days. You can no longer stake for 14 days. And after you can just be staking according to the timer. Okay, so if you watch what the timer is saying, then staking period to choose. If your timer is saying 7 days to go, just choose 3 days staking period. If your timer is saying 10 days to go, you can choose 7 days staking period. But as it is right now, you can no longer stake for more than 7 days because on 12 days from now on, staking will expire, and then they will stop WCoin staking. So, and after the staking has ended, they are going to start the boost. I think the boost will continue, and they are going to stop tapping as well. And thereafter, we are going to be getting listed on different exchanges. So if you are farming WCoin, this is the last chance you have to tap as much as you want, before WCoin gets listed, because very soon, not really before WCoin gets listed, before the tapping ends, because very soon the tapping is going to be ending and they're going to be getting prepared to list WCoin. So if you're still farming WCoin, make use of your opportunity while it lasts, because very soon we are going to be listed. I hope we are excited. I'm not excited based on the pre-market price or anything. I'm just excited that for the fact that we are going to be ending the farming soon, and probably we're going to be getting paid. I don't know about, I don't even want to get excited over anything anymore, but whatever I see, I take. Okay, so but if it pays, it's fine. Do not get me wrong, Telegram free farming is still okay, it's still cool, but Telegram free farming, I think, is good for the influencers, those who have many people to refer. But if you don't have much people to refer, I'm not sure if this is a good idea actually. But you can try your luck, it's not a bad thing. So I'm not against Telegram farming, okay? I'm not against it. It's actually cool actually, because I've made money from Telegram farming, not really too much. I've made a little, but to be frank, the money I made is not up to the time I've invested. I've invested time into this. When I mean time, I mean serious time into Telegram mining. That is why I'm having a retake right now, if I should continue Telegram mining or if I should continue with what I'm doing. I have a lot of things I do, but Telegram mining wouldn't let me focus, because I think it was my focus I took as much as I couldn't have taken. Okay, so it weighed me down, and after later on they started bringing out their various strategies, implementing some certain things which didn't go well with me. And another thing is this calculating of a thing. They calculate your points, and they start giving out based on your referral, based on what you did, based on what you didn't do. It got me tired, guys. It got me tired, but it is all well, because at least it helps us to decide our money. So that's just it about WCoin, guys. It's getting listed as soon as possible, and the staking is coming to an end, and very soon tapping also is coming to an end, and you can only use boosts to get more WCoin. So if you have what it takes, you boost. But you know what I don't like about WCoin is that they have come out plainly to say that whether you boost or you didn't boost, it's not going to stop you from getting your allocation on WCoin, but boosting will only help you to get more WCoin. So if you boost, you didn't boost, if you have what it takes to boost, it's fine. Boost and get more WCoin. I told you guys that I like WCoin. I like their setup. Right from the first time, the reason why I took WCoin was because of their setup. When I went through their setup, I got excited. I was so happy, and I decided to farm WCoin. Even when I referred my mentor into WCoin, my mentor was like, what is this? Don't get me wrong, it's not mentor on crypto, it's mentor on forex, okay? So my mentor was like, what is this WCoin about? So I told you that I like their setup. I really like their setup. Their initial setup was just amazing. So that was what really lured me to W coin. If not, I didn't see anything exciting over there at the initial time. Okay, but when I went through the setting and I registered into the bots, I went through the setting and I really love the setups. So that was why I got involved with W. And ever since then, W coin has been doing so well. So let's just hope we get something good from it, but don't be too excited. If they give us something good, then it's fine. If they didn't, then we cannot come and kill ourselves. Life continues. Okay guys, so that's just what I have for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much. Cheers.